In this final section of the project, we're going to be looking at 5 customers, determining if it's better for them to lease or to buy. Uh, so again, we're going to be using the total cost because that's what a lease is, and doing that. So if you look at the first case here, you're looking at the individual is interested in a $21,000 Hyundai Sonata, and he can afford a $350 a month payment. So you'll do this if he plans to drive 60,000 miles, determine the cost to lease the car, and, and look at the cost to buy the car with the loan offer that's there. And then you're going to answer the 2 questions, considering that Jamil will own the car if he uses the purchase option. Is the total cost of purchasing it twice the amount of 2 36-month leases? And you'll have to answer that question, and based on your calculations, what would be your recommendation? You'll do that for all 5 individuals and show your calculations in some way. It's okay if you, instead of wanting to add text on any of these assignments, if you don't want to add text, you can upload photos into these and do it that way to show your work or show how you figured things out. And you can show your setup as well.